Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me what is polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. It is clear? Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Polynomial are many types, but today I want to describe about polynomial based degree. Polynomial based degree. Firstly I want to describe about degree. What is degree? The maximum power of variables of a polynomial is called its degree. Degree is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Degree of constant polynomial is 0 and the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. It is clear? Degree of constant polynomial is 0 and degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. It is very important. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe polynomial based degree. Clear? Polynomial based degree. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Second, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Third, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Polynomials are clear? No confusion about polynomial? Very good. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. See the board. Degree and degree based polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? Clear? The highest power of variable is called degree of a polynomial. Clear? Highest power of variable of a polynomial is called its degree. Clear? For example, root 2 minus y cube plus y power 5 plus 2y power 6. It is a polynomial. Here root 2 is constant. Root 2 is constant. Y power 3 is a term. First term is root 2, second term is y power 3, third term is y power 5 and fourth term is 2y power 6. It is clear? Here variable 1 y is variable. Clear? Here variable is 1 y. Clear? Highest power of variable is 6, hence its degree is 6. Here power is 3, here power is 5, here power is 6. Highest power is 6. It means the degree of polynomial is 6 of variable y. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind. Clear? See the board. Note, the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0 and the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. The degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. The degree of constant polynomial is 0. It is very important. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. Linear polynomial. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, x plus root 7. Here, root 7 is constant, plus is operation, and x is variable. It is clear? Highest power of variable x is 1. Hence, it is linear polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, root 2 mu plus 3. Here 3 is constant and root 2 mu is first term and 3 is second term. Here mu is variable and root 2 is coefficients, number after variable is called coefficients. Coefficients is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Root 2 is coefficients, mu is variable and 3 is constant. Highest power of variable mu is 1. Hence its degree is 1. Clear? It means it is linear polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. For example, x square plus 9x minus 3 by 2. Here 3 terms. First term is x square, second term is 9x, third term is 3 by 2. Operation plus and minus. 3 by 2 is constant term and x is variable. Here 9 is coefficient of x and here 1 is coefficient of x square. Highest power of variable x is 2. Hence its degree is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. It is clear? Example, 2y cube plus 3. Here 2 terms. 2y cube is first term and 3 is second term. Operation plus 3 is constant term and 2y square. Here 2 is coefficients of y cube. 2 is coefficient of y cube and highest power of variable y is 3. Hence it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next example, 9x square y plus xy minus 4. Here 3 terms. First term is 9x square y, second term xy and third term is 4. 4 is constant. It is clear? Here variable is xy, 2 variable, x and y. Clear? Here coefficient of xy is 1 and coefficient of x square y is 9. Here power of variable y is 1 and power of variable x is 1. It becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Its power is 2. And here power of y is 1, power of x is 2. It becomes 2 plus 1, 3. It means power of 9x square y is 3. Hence highest power is 3 and it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Your solution? Your example? No confusion about solution and example? Very good. It is easy. Very good. Okay.